Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome. Today I will be showing you how to create a hand bowl. I'm really excited. I think it will hopefully be pretty simple, so here we go. Okay, so to start the hand bowl, I first made a pattern of my hand. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take some clay. It can be any clay that you like. I just like using Model Magic. And I'm going to mix up a purple color with some white in it to probably make it lighter. So I'm going to mix up these two colors and I will be back when I'm done with that. Okay, so I have this nice purple made. I am now going to flatten it out as somewhat thin, somewhat thick. I'm going to flatten it out so it fits my hand pattern. I have a little bit extra paper here so it doesn't get on the table. I think that's just about it. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm kind of just going to take my scissors. Now, I wouldn't recommend this, so just if you are going to do this, be extremely careful, but I would recommend having some sort of clay tool, but I don't have one of those, so I'm just gonna take my scissors here and kind of cut at the clay, and I'm going to do this the entire, all around my hand. Right after that, I'm going to pull it away. Alrighty, after that I'm going to take off the hand pattern and I'm just going to round out the edges and make it look a little bit neater than what it does. Alrighty, and then there is my hand. I'm now going to take some plastic wrap to protect the bowl I'm going to be using. So I'm going to take some plastic wrap. I'm going to lay it inside of this bowl. This is just, again, to protect the bowl from the clay. Alright, and then I'm going to take my hand and I'm going to place it inside carefully. Alright, and then there we go. And now you just have to let that dry overnight. Okay, so I let these dry for overnight along with most of the day. So now I'm going to take them out and we're going to see what they look like. That's so cute. Aww. And then what I did was I kind of like, you put them together and then they sort of create a heart. So that's pretty much it. That is how I made these little hand bowls. So that is how I created the little hand bowls. I think they turned out really cute and they're very simple and they're pretty useful as well. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe and I will see you all next time. Bye!